Hello friends, Chintamani here. So this is in continuation with what we had done last time, which is how to open a file, either an existing file or a new file, how to write to a file and then close the file. So three steps: open, write, close. Open and close is required because when you open a handle, which means it's an object, sort of file underscore object, which we had seen last time. So we have to release that handle, otherwise the memory is occupied and it will not get flushed, which means it will not get released. So that is our normal cycle, and we had seen one example also there. So this for example, here we had seen my file.txt or any other file like example.txt, etc. Right. Okay. So apart from the write method which we use here in the earlier example when we are set, if you see here whatever is marked file obj dot write hello, this is a single line, and then backslash n here is the new line character, which means it will go to the next line. So basically just like a carriage return. So similarly, now what we are doing here is we are taking an object which is my object. So let us try and go to Python if it is open. Okay, let me start the Python interpreter and just type whatever is there. So I opened this file called myfile.txt. It may be existing, it may not be existing. I did not check it, but if it is existing, it will overwrite because it's in write mode. If you want to append, meaning if you want to add contents to an existing file, you should say a here. So we need to be careful while running these programs. Right now we are doing it for learning purpose, so it's all okay. Then the next one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a list. So anything which is there in square brackets, as we already know, is a list. I just copy pasted it wrongly. Let me copy paste again, or maybe do a backspace here. Okay. So I'm saying lines is equal to, and then hello everyone. So the first one which you see here, then there is a comma, then I'm saying writing multiple lines of string, then again /n, then a comma. So which means that there are three elements in this particular list. So lines is of data structure list. So list is one of the data structures. So we'll save it in lines. So it's like a temporary variable or temporary list which is having 3 lines, we can say. Okay, so that is about the list. Now what we have to do, we have to write the lines. So if we have seen the earlier example, in the earlier example we'll just writing one single line at a time. So it was my object dot write and then write a line without a variable. So right now lines is a list type of a structure and it's holding something. So let's press enter and now do write lines. Okay, so what is going to happen is 3 lines will be written to the file. The file which we have opened is myfile.txt. So it's already written. So the thumb rule says that whenever you open a file, if your work is over, we should always close the file also. I'm closing the file. Okay, so this is done. Nothing will be shown on the screen because we are inside the Python interpreter. We are just learning. So I'll just say exit here. Okay, we'll try to see the file, what is there in the file. So we'll say file, myfile.txt. So this file, if we see here, it has done hello again /n, then writing multiple lines, then this is third line, like that. So 3 lines, and if you see I did it 2 times. So write lines here and write lines here 2 times, which means three line, these lines will be repeating here. So like hello everyone, and then writing multiple lines, then this is the third line. If you observe here carefully, then this one, this is third line. Okay, this is third line, which is the last element of this list. This is the last element of the list. There is no /n at the end. So that's why what is happening is the next my object dot write lines, the hello everyone, which starts from here, the first line, it's getting stuck somewhere here. I mean, it goes just after this is third line. Why? Because there was no backslash n after the hash third line, which means the third element, this one, is not having a backslash n at the end, and that's why the first line when I wrote the next time went after the, this is the third line. I hope you understood this. So there are actually, instead of 6 lines, there are 5 lines. So what is the correct way to do? Whenever you have elements in the list, you should have a backslash n at the end of each of the lines. Otherwise, when you write it the next time, it will probably not be in a way uh, what is expected. So that is about write lines. So write and write lines are two different things. Write will write one line at a time, and write lines will have multiple lines. Similarly, there are methods like read and read lines and so on. We'll cover that later. So as of now, this is all from my side. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.